Here, let me put them in the back of my car real quick.
What are you guys doing?
Okay. Well, now we're... Hi there. Go ahead and step over here.
Hello.
I'm Officer Kessler of the Westminster Police Department. Any idea why I'm stopping you today?
Because I was acting like an idiot.
Yeah, huge in that parking lot. You're lucky you didn't hit somebody. And then you blew through the stop sign as well. Both of them. One right at the building and then one to come onto the roadway. You have your insurance and registration as well.
I do not.
Okay. All right. Have you been drinking any alcohol today?
No, sir.
No? Okay. So why are we driving like that in the parking lot?
This is a rental, and I'm like, I was just messing around with it.
Okay. Are you sure you haven't drank any alcohol? Because I got a smell of alcohol coming from the vehicle right now.
No, sir. It's my,
Your Zens? So Zens are supposed to, they smell like alcohol, or? Okay, that's interesting, because I've got plenty of buddies that use those, and none of them ever smell like alcohol. Would you be willing to do some voluntary roadside maneuvers today?
yes, sir.
All right, give me a second. Where are you coming from?
Work
Where do you work at?
down in Denver.
Okay, no, I know. Why were you doing donuts in the...
I don't know.
In the...
I usually have a truck.
Okay. All right. What's a good phone number for you? Okay. Let me have the keys real quick. And then go ahead and turn the vehicle off. Is that push to start? Okay. Okay. Give me a second. You can roll a window up to if you'd like. All right. Stay in the vehicle. I'll bear it with you. All right, I'll have you step out real quick. Just face the car so I can pat you down. You don't have any weapons on you, do you?
No, sir.
All right. All right, let's go ahead and step over here. I got a bunch of questions for you real quick, and then we'll get going. Do you have a jacket in the car that we can grab you?
Yeah.
Because, I mean, it's a little chilly out here. I don't want you... Just grab the jacket, and then I just want to make sure you don't have any weapons in the jacket. Perfect. I appreciate it. That way you're not in a t-shirt, man, because I know it's chilly. So I just want to confirm, you're saying you don't have you have not drank any alcohol today?
No, sir.
Because you got a smell of alcohol coming from you.
Okay.
All right. Honesty is going to be your best policy. Okay. Did you have anything to drink today?
Earlier today,
When?
leaving work. I don't even know.
What time is? Do you even know what time it is? What time did you leave work today?
I don't know.
You don't even know. Okay.
6:30.
A little off. All right. So I just got a bunch of questions for you. What's your highest level of education?
I have a bachelor's.
Okay. When you said you had alcohol to drink today, what did you have to drink?
2 shooters.
2 shooters. Okay. What kind of shooters were they?
99s.
Like 99 bananas, 99?
Yeah.
What kind was like 99 what?
I don't even remember.
Okay. Do you have any medical problems, anything like that? Anything that would cause you to not be able to balance, walk, or anything like that? Any injuries?
No.
No. Okay. Any physical defects along those lines? Okay. Are you sick or injured right now? No. Okay. Are you taking any medication right now? What are you taking? On any of those medications, does it say don't drink alcohol with them? Okay. All right. You wear any contacts?
Yep.
Soft or hard?
Soft.
Soft, okay. All right. When's the last time you ate anything?
Probably, what was it? I had 2 hard-boiled eggs.
Okay.
And,
About how long ago did you eat?
it was noon.
Okay. All right. How much sleep did you have last night?
I didn't sleep.
No sleep?
No.
Okay, so when's the last time you did sleep?
It was last night, but it was it was not a lot.
Okay.
Like 3 hours, dude.
Okay.
It was like on and off.
All right, so the first test I'm going to run you through, it's just checking your eyes, okay? So what I'm going to do is with your eyes in your eyes only, I'm going to have you follow the tip of my finger. You can see the tip of my finger, right? Okay, put your feet together first. Hands down to your side, outside your pocket. If you need to slide your hands into your sleeves to keep your hands warm, I'm okay with that. If you want to do that real quick, just so that way your hands stay warm. Do you want to do that or do you want your hands out? Okay, with your eyes and your eyes only, just follow the tip of my finger, okay? You understand? Okay. All the way, follow the tip of my finger. Don't move your head. You okay? No more contacts. All right, let's do the same thing on the other side. Almost done with this part. Just don't move your head. Only your eyes. Yep, just follow the tip of my finger. Okay. Yep, it's just going to go up just a little bit. You're okay?
Blink.
Yeah, go ahead and blink real quick. All right, just one more up top, okay? Just 2 more passes. All right. Go ahead and, so you're going to imagine that there's a line right here, okay? You're going to put your left foot on the line, right foot on the line, right in front of it with your heel touching like this, with your hands down to your side, okay? Go ahead and get in this position. Stay in that position until I tell you to, okay? This one's called the walk and turn. This one's going to be 9 heel-to-toe steps straight out. You're going to stay in that position.
I'm just like, I'm fucking nervous, man.
Okay. Well, if you're fine, you don't have anything to worry about. I promise. These tests are subjective to people that are under the influence. If you are completely sober, you'll be able to pass these tests. Okay? There's lots of studies with these, okay? Put your feet like this, hands down to the side, get in this position that I'm in right here. Yep, stay in that position right there, hands down to the side. You're gonna take 9 heel-to-toe steps out, and then 9 heel-to-toe steps back. After you get to your 9th step, you're gonna leave your lead foot on the ground, take a series of small steps, turn yourself around, 9 heel-to-toe steps back, and it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna take 3 steps, you're gonna take 9. 1, 2, 3. Series of small steps. Don't start. You're gonna do 9. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna take 9 steps. I only took 3 to show you what it's done, okay? You're gonna get in that position again with your heel touching like this. You're gonna look down at your feet and count down each step when you do this. When you get to your 9th step, series of small steps, turn yourself around, 9 heel-to-toe steps back. Once you start the test, do not stop until you're completed with the test.
I'm done.
You don't want to complete these?
No.
All right, go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Put your hands. I'm going to put you on the ground if you turn and try to fight me.
No, I'm not fighting. No. It's even worse.
Questions?
No, it's even worse.
You can ask questions here in a second.
What's even worse? Stop flexing up.
I'm not.
Relax, dude.
Dude, I'm not fighting. What I'm saying is, my kids are in the trunk.
They're in the trunk?
Yeah.
Why the fuck are they in the trunk?
Because they're like, Dad, can we get in the trunk and go fast for us? So it's even worse.
331, one in custody.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Why would you put your kids in the trunk?
Just because we go right here.
Is that why you're driving like an asshole in the parking lot?
Yeah.
How old are your? So you have 3 kids hiding in the trunk.
Yes.
Call for check to 21-225.
Here, if you want to. That way you can.
This morning around 17 Federal.
Here, let me put them in the back of my car real quick.
What are you guys doing?
Okay. Well, now go ahead and step over here.
Go ahead.
You didn't think that would have been a good idea to say something before?
Seen about a minute ago. She's concerned. Copy. We'll both be around. Can you break the traffic stop? Yeah, go ahead. 7-2 in Federal. David, Ida, Tom, Paul 09. David, Ida, Tom, Paul 09.
Who's a responsible adult that could come get the kids?
Nick.
In the back.
Nick Collier.
Take a seat.
My best friend, he lives right up the street.
Okay.
Do you need a phone number?
We'll figure all that in a second. Give me a second. Tom 14. Just for the notes, can you put on there, this gentleman had 3 of his children in the trunk while he was driving.
Copy 1732.
You know where your address is?
It's in Arvada.
Arvada. Alright, just hang tight, okay?
What? It's legally parked, so I'm okay with leaving it here.
Yeah. Looks like they just came out of Petco. Let me.
But I'm so confused.
That was I'm gonna try to. They said mom lives in Centennial, and I'm guessing they're separate.
Yeah. Well. Yeah.
She's run on final stop, Pasta Fitness parking lot. 1733.
All right. So here's the deal. State of Colorado, by operating a motor vehicle on the roads already, you've given your express consent for a blood or breath test today. Would you be willing to do a blood or breath test? No? Okay. So that way is a refusal. With a refusal, there will be other administrative fees, fines, and stuff like that, and your license will be revoked for up to a year, okay? And then, so you're also going to be charged with 3 counts of child abuse and the DUI, all right? Who's their mother?
Her name's Katie Radowa.
Katie? Mm-hmm. Do you have her phone number?
I don't know it.
Okay, how?
Do you live with the brother too, Matt? Your kids are saying that you live with your own.
It's my cousin. Yeah.
Cousin?
Yeah.
He lives with you guys?
Yes.
Can he drive?
He's not here right now.
Okay.
He's in Missouri.
So we can contact. So would we be able to contact mom so she can come get the kids?
No.
Who? Because otherwise,
my best friend Nick is right up there.
well, they're not. He's not parent or guardian, so we need to. I need to get in touch with mom because she's going to get the first option to get the kids, but I need a phone number for her. We can grab your phone.
Okay.
All right, we're going to grab that. Anything else out of the vehicle that's important property, anything like that? Because I saw there's a computer in that duffel bag. You don't want that because we can book it in. You won't be able to take it with, but it's either that or it's going to stay in the vehicle. Okay, just because I don't want it to be in plain sight, I'm going to throw all your stuff in the trunk, just so that way it's out of sight, out of mind. Okay. All right, give me a second. Muting. Confusion conference. All right. Yeah, grab your backpacks, your tablets, anything that's yours. And then we're going to get you guys to the police department where it's warm until we figure out. Do you guys have your mom's phone number? Do you know your mom's number?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to have to give her a call so she can come pick you up, okay? And then once you guys get all your stuff, we can get you back to the police department where it's going to be nice and warm.
Better than my car.
Yeah, because that car is not going to be. And then don't forget your crickets. I'll just throw those in the back too. It's legally parked, so I'm just going to leave it. I'm not. Oh, there's a twisted tea. I'm going to take. Oh, and some vodkas.
Two shred.
I'm going to take a picture of those.
Oh, there's a pack right there. Maybe.
I'm just gonna throw these on the roof real quick. That's completely empty. Golly,
You think he was just fucking
221
pick his kids up from school and then just
I don't know.
let's go get some
221
I don't know. Another bottle of alcohol. The shooter fireball. These were located all right in the. Uh-oh. Dude, it is frigid.
Yeah, it's not great.
So sorry.
No, dude, don't worry at all. Okay, I have my jacket, my gloves.
Yeah. Well, I almost threw my gloves on, and I was like,
Oh, because it's medication.
yeah, we'll just want to make sure that I'm not leaving a gun in the car. Should we just throw the passport and the money in his wallet?
And then it's up to you.
Let me just ask him and just book it in.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just do that after I take a picture of this.
Yeah, evidentiary shit.
Yeah, because
And then,
I can't even be like, the drinks are still cold to touch, because everything is cold to the touch right now. Let me get one on evidence.
did you do a search at all? Like a good search or anything?
Yeah, I've gone through everything good.
272, you put me on track. Stop at Super 8, 1 no place.
Who's that? Okay.
Copy, I have 211 available. 311, I'll start you that way, talking for.